Hey guys, I'm Tiana Mayer, and I decided to do electric cars for Weighing the Options project. So my big question is it safer for the environment? And me personally, I want to know, is it ever worth buying an electric car? So why is this presentation important? So it gives you options, it gives you general knowledge, you can educate other people with the knowledge that you're provided, and you get to understand a subject that is constantly being talked about. So the pros to electric cars is they have low fuel cost, they retain their value better, there's lower maintenance, and they're energy efficient. But the cons are charging takes at least half an hour, battery dies really quickly in the cold, there's not enough charging stations, especially if you compare them to gas stations. You know, gas stations, there's one almost every 2 minutes from where you're at. Um, Charging stations are not like that. It's really inconvenient to search for charging stations. The driving range is shorter on electric cars. The initial purchase is more expensive, and the initial production is worse for the earth. So, like I previously mentioned, the initial cost to purchase a electric car is higher. And then so for a 30-minute charge, it costs around $6. So to produce an electric car, you have to mine raw materials like nickel, lithium, and cobalt, which releases 7 to 10 tons of carbon dioxide while producing just the car. That doesn't include the battery. And then just to produce the battery, it releases another 9 tons of carbon dioxide, which means the grand total amount of carbon dioxide being released is around 16 to 19 tons, which is a lot more than what a gas car gives off during production. How long do they last? So batteries last about 12 to 15 years, which this is important because how long your car lasts depends on how long that battery will run. Because once the battery is dead, your car is done for. Um, there were a few things that said production will slow down due to lack of access to lithium, and then the impact on workers producing the product. Um, the mining alone of the materials is insane, but cobalt is really toxic to humans, and then mining lithium is really harmful. Breathing the dust can cause respiratory problems. It can lead to respiratory swelling, and then if lithium comes in contact to water, it explodes. The environmental impact, the factories give off a lot more toxic waste than other car factories. Um, Toxic materials used to make electric cars are like nickel, copper, aluminum, lithium, cobalt, but there is no tailpipe emissions. So once I've done all the research and done this project, I have decided that the product itself is not safer for the environment, and it's due mostly to the materials that are used to make it, and I myself would never buy one. Those are the sources I used, and thank you for watching.